Good morning, traders. This morning, once again, we are in brutal market conditions. Look at that. It's another bearish correction. Nothing good is happening on Dow. Dow is frozen. S&P frozen 95% of the time. Look at this vicious and brutal correction. Price is stuck. Intelligent trader understands this is overextended bullish rally. Intelligent trader understands with Alpha Fibonacci system many days in advance that this is critical resistance. We've been here 16 hours. And that's not your little baby level. That's institutional resistance. Price is stuck. But when institutional resistance encounters day trading support, with the help of software, you know in advance where support is. You're choosing your gem very, very carefully. For this simple reason. Institutions holding longs. This is a chart where millions and billions of dollars moved. Institutions adding to their longs. And that's the reason every support level remains respected. And that's the reason intelligent traders choosing their gems very, very carefully. Number of trades in the market at institutional trend inception, institutional support, multiple months, hundreds and hundreds of trades present. Here, very few gems. But as long as this support remains respected, identified many months in advance, intelligent. This is how Dow chart looked like months before Dow reached Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone. This is how Dow looked during the crash. This is how Alpha Fibonacci system identified 19,000 as critical support months in advance. That's where buyers stepped in from. Intelligent trader knew months in advance where this level will be. That's what it looked like in the months of February. Stunning 19,000 buy level. That's what it looked like in the months of March. Reached. That's what it looked like in the months of June. Here we are in October. Boom. That's the power of the system. In day trading, everything identified minutes and hours in advance. In position trading, days, weeks, months, and years in advance. All depends on chart you trade. So here I am asking my students this morning, what did they trade it? Boom. Very few trades. Jason, what a brilliant move. Move to silver. $25 per tick. Incredible work. You don't need many trades. Imagine the profits with $25 per tick. You can trade one lot. You can trade 10 in a year. Preston, Dow 42 points. Flawless. Anderson, Micro Dow. Everyone different. Everyone choosing the trade they want to take. Very few gems are present in this trading range. So here are the emails I received this morning. Boom! Carlton, who is sending two of his best friends to the course, keeps killing it in the market. Carlton is executive of a major company. He doesn't have much time to trade. He trades after work in Asian session. Two of his best friends, Carlton sending to the course. Gerald, new legend in the course, killing it. All of this before market open. No one needs hand-holding. These are the traders that make an effort. So when Gerald does this while driving around after 1 week in the course, searching for 35 years for answers in trading, and when he sends me this email, that means the world. Coming from CME Trader. Thank you. You make trading a joy. Boom. That's the reason I live and breathe what I do. And when Bill sends me an email reminding everyone, obey the system, respect the target, 9 points on ES, S&P mini future within seconds. And if you had target set, you walked away with profit with Alpha Fibonacci system. Because boom, price collapsed from the target. And that's very few reminders from my incredible students who are inspiring each other, who are sharing what's possible with Alpha Fibonacci system. It never gets old, I promise. You decide if you want to trade 800 lots or if you want to trade micro. Choice is yours. That's it. It is that simple. During the worst market conditions on record, students continue choosing gem trades beautifully. So Carlton Gerald will be in a bootcamp. Boom. You want to join Carlton and Gerald? I look forward to working with you. They're unstoppable. They know that with each bootcamp, your trading will become only better. This is Brad's bootcamp number 10. Brad, sign up for all bootcamps I will ever teach. Pablo have done 8 bootcamps. Boom. David have done couple. Every trader never ever stops perfecting their trading. So again, how did we know that the only option is long? Simple. Alpha Fibonacci system said so. This is Alpha Fibonacci support, not the place to short. Currently to the upside, intelligent trader knows this is critical resistance. This is the end of the minor trend. Correct? That's your trading range right now. Response at this level will determine markets for hours to come. So if you decide to join us, this will be one of the smartest things you have ever done. This bootcamp will not repeat for at least next 3 years. I promise you. I will not teach Genesis in bootcamp until at least 2023. As of right now, we have actually less than 3 spaces left. Someone is signing up right now. Our graduates waiting list signing up for bootcamp. So, if you're a new student, Genesis system with Genesis Trading Bootcamp included in each of these packages. Savings up to $5,000. So 2 weeks, October 26th, we're on lockdown in Genesis room. Every single minute you will earn more than in many, many years before. Every single minute, week before, you will see brutal, vicious, horrific market conditions that will instantly change to historical volatility, to historical market formations. This will be spectacular learning experience. How to master worst versus phenomenal market conditions. This is the reason I chose bootcamp this year during these dates. Because how you adjust to market conditions is everything. This is absolutely most important event of the year. So if you're joining us as a new student, it's a very big gift, right in time for a holiday, for a very, very few spaces. Group course, 6 months, private mentoring includes all of this video library. Modules include Genesis System, Genesis Trading Bootcamp. After bootcamp, I will not discuss Genesis. We're out. We're done with Genesis. One of my top 3 strategies. I developed 32. Right now, working on 33. Knowledge of the price and market never ends. So please, listen to students, listen to podcasts, view the videos, read their emails. I will continue uploading every email I receive. And when you see child trading Alpha Fibonacci system at the age of 14. Boom. What does it tell you? If Dominic can do it at the age of 14, so can anyone. Simply make an effort. Any questions for me? Do not hesitate to contact me 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. And remember to obey bright pink line. Did we know or did we know? Nothing else is possible. It's a war zone. Boom. And that's the power of the system, no matter what you trade. Choice is yours. Is it silver? Is it pound? Is it yen? Is it Bitcoin? Is it Apple? Is it Amazon? Is it $50 account or $50 million account? You decide. Choice is yours. System applies to all. System traded globally since 2011. That's it. That's your trading range this morning. It's a war zone. It all will change night of the election. I cannot wait for a boot camp.